Hello. Specifically, hello on the telephone. And if you look at that, you'll see it says Hanlo. Hanlo. A couple of things I need to point out. The Thai never end. Am I correct about that? Yes. They never end a Thai word with an L sound. So what they will do is they will change it to an N. My last name is Harville. Okay, they also don't say the letter V, like in Victor or in Ville. So they change that to a W. So, and it happens. I don't know why it's universal, but that's what they do. I think it has something to do with their writing system because of the letters that they use. The L sound, when they write it at the beginning of a word, says the letter lolling is L. But when that same character is at the end of a word, or in the end of a syllable, it's changed to N. Okay? And again, they don't say V, so they change that to the nearest thing they have, which is the W sound. So my name, Harville, becomes Harwin. Harwin. So it's kind of an interesting phenomenon. But there are a couple of words now in the since the advent of the cell phone, the younger generation has been able to put the L in the middle of a word. And one of the two words that they will put the L in the middle of, and these are the only two words that I've heard, one is hello. You will hear younger Thais, millennials and younger, you'll hear them say hello on occasion. They really have to struggle with it because it goes against the structure of their language. Okay, so they've usually made an effort for that. The other word, can you guess it? Can you guess what it would be? Email. You will hear the younger generation say email. You may hear some of the older generations say e-man. And if they say e-man, you know what they mean is they mean email.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
You hear how he did hanlo when he was doing it slowly, but as soon as he picked up speed, he went to the L's. What is Mr. Blah? 23, 20? He's in university right now, so maybe he's 21.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Daisy did it the same way.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
But there's your word, Han-lo. Did we look at the tones? Yeah, I think we did, although it was kind of unofficial. Let's look at the tones, and then although you know what, I expect you being a native English speaker. Han, flat tone, and then lo, rising tone. Han-lo, there'd probably be no reason for you to ever say Han-lo. You can just say hello. They hear the L, they'll hear it, but they don't speak it.